How to pin a location on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can pin a location on Google Maps. For that, open the Google Map application on your mobile device and use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the location you want to pin. You can also enter an address, business name or landmark. Also, you can zoom and find the place you're looking for. Once you find the location, press and hold the location on the map where you want to drop the pin. After a moment, a red pin will appear on that location. The pin will show you the exact location you dropped it on the map. You can tap or click on the pin to view more information about the location such as address, business details and many more. Also, after doing that, you will find various options right here. If you want the directions to that location, you can click on this direction or start button. Or if you want to save this pinned location for future reference, you can do so by tapping or clicking on this save button. You can also share this pinned location with others by tapping or clicking on this share button. Similarly, you can post it or edit it further. So that's how you can pin a location on Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.